Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna share with you how to make a lentil-stuffed turban squash. This is your turban squash here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop off the little hat. But first we're gonna make the bottom flat so that when we set it on our platter it won't wobble. So get a nice sharp serrated knife and cut that off. See, now it's nice, sturdy and stable. Okay. Let's bring this out. Probably even roast these. That would be good with a little olive oil and salt. Yummy. I'm gonna cook it 375 for about an hour.
Trying to be someone better than you and I. Hoping for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you like
we're gonna let this simmer for about 45 minutes or so. Okay, now you want to carefully scoop the flesh out of this turban squash into the blender to make it nice and creamy. So let's do that. Be careful not to scrape the skin and poke a hole in it, because this is going to be your bowl for your lentils. This recipe would work great with a sugar pumpkin too, or any kind of pumpkin that you have that you haven't cut up and destroyed yet. So yeah, this would be good for any kind of squash, any time of the year, or any squash that you have. Let's make the feta yogurt sauce. First we put in half a cup of vegan yogurt, Greek yogurt. If you could find Greek yogurt and vegan, that would be amazing, but it's hard to find, so just plain vegan yogurt will work. And half a cup of feta, vegan feta. And blitz this up until it's nice and creamy and smooth. Can we set that aside? Then we'll look at our squash. Alright, let's assemble. Okay, so we're not going to need nearly this many lentils, but let me tell you, they're a hit. High protein little gems. Delicious. So we're going to just go ahead and layer these.
Just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into to it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And then soak sauce.
Yes, I'm just too scared to settle down. Nights got too hot and almost left town. Something about you I like.
So good. Smells so good. It's cute. Great for like a vegan dish for like Thanksgiving or Christmas. Yeah. So let's try some of this. Wow. The flavors are amazing. Gotta try it. The zog sauce makes it a little spicy, and then the little crunchy pomegranate seeds give it a little zing and some sweetness, and the lentils, they're so good, and the squash, so healthy and delicious. The combination is so good with the feta and the vegan yogurt. Let's try this. So delicious.